In Step 4, you will be confirming carrier and pallet information. Note that you'll only see this step if you're shipping pallets. The steps you take will be different depending on the carrier you selected in Step 2. For pallet shipments with non-partnered carriers, start by confirming the carrier you intend to ship with, the number of pallets you will be shipping, and the delivery window you selected in Step 2. You may change the delivery window in this step. However, some delivery windows may risk receive delays or be unavailable due to capacity. Then select Print to generate FBA pallet ID labels. These are different than the FBA box ID labels you applied in Step 3. 4 labels will be provided for each pallet. Apply 1 label on each side of every pallet, centered and near the top. You can now schedule pickup and hand off inventory to your selected carrier. In the final step, select Proceed to enter tracking details to enter the PRO freight bill number provided by your carrier and tracking information. You must enter tracking information for all non-partnered carrier shipments. Finish by clicking Save to change your shipment status to Shipped. You've now completed the Send to Amazon workflow for non-partnered carrier pallet shipments. If you selected an Amazon partnered carrier, you'll need to enter your warehouse contact information by selecting Add Contact. You can select an existing warehouse contact or provide a new contact for each shipment. If there are multiple shipments, we'll use the first selected contact. You can change the contact for each additional shipment by clicking the Contact Information drop-down arrow and selecting Change Contact. Next, put your boxes into pallet configurations if you haven't done so already. Then review your pallet details. These are pre-populated based on the information you provided in Step 1. Freight class is used to determine the billable weight and risk of a shipment. Ranked from 50 to 500, freight class can be entered manually. You can also choose to use Amazon's estimates instead. Freight declared value is optional. If left blank, we'll assume the value is $1.50 times the shipment weight. Next, enter pallet weight and height, whether the pallets are stacked or not, and the number of pallets for each configuration. You can edit these details if anything is incorrect. Select Confirm to receive estimated carrier charges. If you go back and edit your pallet details, charges will update accordingly. Next, you'll need to select your carrier and freight ready date. We'll show you the lowest cost carrier by default, but you can choose a different one by selecting Change Carrier. In the Carrier Selection window, you can filter by carrier name or shipping mode to view estimated transportation cost, shipping mode, and available dates. If a date is gray, the carrier is at capacity for that day. Once your details are correct and you are ready to print pallet labels, select Confirm Carrier and Pallet Information. You're now ready to continue on to Step 5.